Hi, I'm Magnus. I really needed a tapering jig for my next project, but I don't have one, so I just built a simple one. I started by measuring the width of the track in my sliding table, and then set the fence according to this measurement. I then ripped a piece of plywood and checked for fit. I was looking for snug fit, because this was not supposed to slide in the track. Then it was just to cut it to length and measure the distance between the track and the table saw blade. This was meant to be a quick and crude build, but I was out of CA glue and had to settle with ordinary wood glue. A couple of brads held it in place while the glue dried. Some coffee. I also cleaned the track of the table saw. And then it was time to try it and trim off the edge. I placed a piece that was going to rip according to its markings and clamped it in place. Then I can add some stop blocks at strategic positions, which I only attach with some screws to be able to shift out for other setups in the future. I also attach a hold-on clamp to one of the stop blocks to hold the workpiece in place during the ripping. So, here it is. Easy and simple. Thanks for watching.